Tata Electronics has established a significant manufacturing presence in Hosur, Tamil Nadu, focusing primarily on the production of iPhone components and assembly. Here are the key highlights of their operations. iPhone manufacturing. Tata Electronics is setting up one of India's largest iPhone assembly plants in Hosur. This facility is part of Apple's strategy to diversify its manufacturing base away from China and increase local production in India. Expansion plans. The plant is expected to expand significantly, with plans to invest 7,000 crore rupees, $10 billion, to ramp up the production capacity. This expansion aims to increase employment from the current 10,000 workers to about 50,000 over the next 2 years. Government incentives. The expansion aligns with the Indian government's production-linked incentives, PLIs, aimed at boosting local manufacturing. Job creation. The expansion is projected to create between 25,000 and 28,000 new jobs, significantly contributing to the local economy and providing substantial employment opportunities in the region. Investment in technology. Tata Electronics is focusing on precision manufacturing and high-end electronics, leveraging its existing facilities and expertise to enhance its role in the global supply chain for electronics. Local supply chain development. By increasing its manufacturing capabilities in Hosur, Tata Electronics supports Apple's efforts to localize its supply chain, reducing dependency on imports and enhancing the reliability of supply chains. Broader manufacturing goals. Beyond iPhones, Tata is also exploring opportunities in semiconductor manufacturing, 5G equipment, and EV battery production, aiming to become a critical player in various high-tech manufacturing sectors. Future prospects. Tata's investments and expansion plans position it as a key player in India's electronics manufacturing sector, aligning with national goals of boosting domestic production and reducing reliance on imports. These initiatives underscore Tata Electronics' commitment to expanding its manufacturing footprint in India and playing a pivotal role in the global electronics supply chain.